why today we are going to do hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Okay, तो अभी अब समझ में आ गया hexadecimal मतलब क्या होता है. Hexadecimal means the number system which consists of 16 numbers, 16 starting from 0 to 9, followed by 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is not denoted by the number, it is denoted by alphabets. समझ में आया? So anywhere you get a number like 8, B, 9, 3, which number system is this? Is this decimal number system? No. Decimal has only 0 to 9, 10 numbers, right? Hexadecimal has got alphabets, hence this is hexadecimal number system. समझ में आया? This can be in decimal also, so it can be AD 0.9E, ऐसा भी number हो सकता है. That is also hexadecimal, no problem, because it has got alphabets in it. Have you understood hexadecimal? Yes? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
decimal तो पता ही था, 0
Yes, ma'am.
0 to 9 decimal तो पता ही था. क्या? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This decimal number system, 10 numbers. वो तो पता ही था. Okay. So now let us start with the conversion of hexadecimal numbers to decimal numbers. Okay, so I'm going to consider a hexadecimal number with a decimal point. Okay, I'm going to consider a decimal point, and we will see the number values of every digit towards the left hand side of the. याद है आपको बाइनरी टू डेसिमल कैसे किया था हमने? बाइनरी टू डेसिमल याद है आपको? हमने 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. याद है आपको? When we go to the left hand side, powers go on increasing, and when we go to the right hand side of the decimal, the powers go in negative.
Decreasing. Yes, ma'am.
So in binary to decimal, binary means 2. इसलिए हमने क्या किया था? 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, and so on. याद है? और इस तरफ 2 raised to -1, 2 raised to -2, 2 raised to -3, ऐसा, क्योंकि वो बाइनरी था. बाइनरी means 2. Base और radix is 2. Here it is hexadecimal. कोई बता पाएगा क्या होगा बेस या रेडिक्स, या क्या नंबर से हम पावर्स इंडिकेट करेंगे?
16.
Absolutely correct. It is 16. So for the first place, decimal के first right hand side में, this will be 16 raised to 0. And as we go to the left hand side, the powers are going to increase. Clear? So it is 16
Yes, ma'am.
16 raised to 2, 16 raised to 3. As we go on to the right hand side, it is going to go in negative decimal. 16 raised to -1, 16 raised to -2, 16 raised to -3. और मैंने बताया है आपको, कभी भी कुछ भी अगर नेगेटिव इंडाइस में आता है, anything which comes in a negative indice means this exponent. If it is coming in negative, that means you can take it to the denominator. So if I write 16 raised to -1, इसको पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए आप उसको नीचे भेज दो, ये हो जाता है 16 raised to 1. समझ में आया? और फिर आप डिवीजन में डेसिमल में लिख सकते हो 1/16 क्या है. Have I made myself clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I will give you a small example. Place value समझ में आ गया? कोई भी डेसिमल नंबर दिया है, डेसिमल के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आप किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? एक एक डिजिट को, ये प्लेस में जो भी डिजिट है इनटू 16 raised to 0, ये प्लेस में जो भी डिजिट है इनटू 16 raised to 1, ये प्लेस में जो भी डिजिट रहेगा इनटू 16 raised to 2, and so on. समझ में आया? क्लियर है? Can we take an example now? We will take an example of A, B, C, which is in which number system? A, B, C is the number. Which is the number system?
Hexadecimal.
Hexadecimal. It is A, B, C. और कोई भी number system में A, B, C नहीं है, right? Is equal to how much in decimal number system? This is the way question is asked in the exam. They do not write any words. They write all numbers like this. You have to decide. ऐसे लिखा है मतलब कौन सा नंबर सिस्टम है, ऐसे लिखा है मतलब क्या है इसका मतलब, इसका क्या मतलब है? डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में इसका वैल्यू क्या है? समझ में आया? क्लियर है बात अभी? ओके, कैन वी स्टार्ट? कैन वी स्टार्ट विथ A B C? यस, सो A B C मतलब कोई भी नंबर मैंने लिखा, फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने लिखा 25, ऐसे मैंने लिखा, तो इसका क्या मतलब है? कैन आई राइट 25.0? कोई भी मैंने होल नंबर लिया, उसको डेसिमल नहीं है, मतलब 0.0 है, हाँ या ना? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हम वैसे ही करेंगे, राइट? सो इट इज A B C 0.0, ठीक है? मतलब मेरा डेसिमल इधर है। डेसिमल के सबसे पहला वाला नंबर कौन सा है?
C.
ओके, सो राइट
C.
इट। सो C के लिए कौन सा आएगा वेट? C is near the decimal, which is the weight that is going to come? 16 raised to 0. समझ में आया?
0.
Can you go to the next
Yes,
one?
ma'am.
B, what will be the B is over here. What will be the weight? 16 raised to 1.
1.
Now A will be 6 is over here. That means 16 raised to 2. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us start. A means what is the number? A means what is the number in hexadecimal? 10. See, look at the chart. Look at the chart. For me, I'll make it easy for you. I'll just write it over here. Please write all this in your books. ये ऐसे books में दिया नहीं है, so please write all this. Okay? Okay. A मतलब 10. A into 16 square plus B मतलब what is the meaning of B? Which is the number?
11.
11. 11 into 16 plus what is the number value for C?
12.
12.
Now can you tell me what is 16 raised to 0? Any number raised to 0. Any number raised to 0 मतलब क्या number होता है वो?
1.
1. Correct.
1.
This I can easily write this as 1. समझ में आया? 1 क्यों आया? अभी आप सॉल्व करके मुझे नंबर्स बताएंगे प्लीज, जल्दी, फास्ट सॉल्व दिस मैथमेटिकली. सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. 16 स्क्वायर इज 256. ओके, 10. कौन सबसे पहले नंबर बताएगा? लेट मी सी, फास्ट. Any answers? Calculators are not allowed in the exam, so you might as well practice, multiplication and addition fast. I will just widen my screen so that okay, clear? Vansh, can you check your answer once again?
Yes, ma'am.
It's not 5-4 आया ना? क्या लिखा था? 5-3-8. It's not 5-3-8. किसी और ने नहीं चेक किया? भूमिका, कितना है आंसर? It's not 5-3-8. Let us quickly check it.
मैम 2748 आ रहा है.
Correct. 2748. Correct. If I write over here, is it visible? 2748 is the answer I was expecting. It is right. Okay. 2748. Okay. Clear है सबको ये? Clear है how to convert? Can I give you some? One or two examples for?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Okay, so the next part is iska ulta. What is the ulta of this? Decimal to hexadecimal. I'm going to be smart and I'm just going to be changing the direction of the L. Decimal to hexadecimal. So we have already done this type. This type means this category. Decimal to binary, binary to decimal. Can someone tell me अगर binary to decimal multiplication of 2 raised to something होता है, तो decimal to binary क्या किया था हमने? Multiply by 2 किया था, उसका उल्टा किया था, right? 2 का उल्टा, इसका arrow मैंने उल्टा किया, so the process also उल्टा होगा. Decimal, hexadecimal to decimal, you are multiplying by 16 raised to something. What will you do for decimal to hexadecimal? क्या करोगे? जैसे डेसिमल टू बाइनरी में किया था, you will क्या करोगे? What will you do? Am I not audible?
Divide.
Correct. We are going to divide. तो फटाफट बोल देने का ना? Yes, you are going to divide. Absolutely correct. Divide by 16 क्योंकि hexadecimal का radix is 16. Now write over there a sentence. Divide the number by 16. Same thing we are going to do like we did in decimal to binary till you get quotient 0. Till you get quotient 0. ठीक है? Divide by 16 till you get quotient 0. I told you what is quotient and remainder in the last class. I hope you remember. Ha ya na? I want to
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
divide something 2, 4, 2, 2s are 4. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder. Okay? So you will go on dividing till you get this quotient as 0 and you will keep noting down the remainders. Okay? याद है ना decimal to binary में कैसे किया था? From down to up,
Yes,
up to down, you counted the numbers and then you wrote the number. Okay, we're going to take one example. Directly we'll solve using an example. I'm going to take the example 7, 8, 6 in this format. Oh, sorry, 7, 8, 6 in decimal. Convert to hexadecimal. Okay, can we start solving? Start. 7, 8, 6. What did I say? It is hexadecimal. Therefore, you have to divide, keep dividing by 16. Can someone tell me the answer? If I am not mistaken, the answer comes to 49. 49. Remainder 2.
49.125.
So I don't want 1 to 5. I want the remainder. तो आपको normal जैसे division करोगे वैसे division करना पड़ेगा. ऐसे इसके तो 16 का table learn कर लेना. ठीक है? Clear है? Is the quotient 0? Is the quotient 0? No, quotient is not 0. Let us take this number again. 49 divided by 16. 49 divided by 16. 16 3s are 48. So quotient is 3. Remainder is 1. 16 into 3, 48 होता है. तो 3 is the quotient. Remainder कितना आया? 49 minus 48? 1. So remainder is 1. Is everyone understanding? सबको समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is the quotient 0? No. मैंने क्या बोला था? आपको stop जब तक करना है जब तक आपको quotient 0 नहीं मिलता. 3 divided by 16. 3 कहीं पे भी आसपास भी 16 के टेबल में आएगा क्या? आएगा क्या? नहीं.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Digit, right? उसका 16 ones are 16 से ही start होता है. So here we get a quotient 0 and you get remainder as 3. Is my quotient 0 now? Yes. My quotient is 0. So I will stop the division here. Quotient is 0 and I will start counting the the remainders from down to up. From down to up. समझ में आया? Yes or no? So
Yes,
my
ma'am.
answer is going to be from down
Yes,
to
ma'am.
up. I am going to start counting. My answer is going of 7, 8, 6. इसका decimal का value मिलने वाला है मुझे 3, 1, 2 in hexadecimal. समझ में आ गया? Clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, we still have time. So can we do one problem? एक्स्ट्रा एक और कर सकते हैं? ये नोट डाउन करने के लिए टाइम दूं या आपने नोट डाउन कर दिया है?
मैम नोट डाउन कर